Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we are going to do our 2025 Halloween tour. We had a few things set up before the graveyard, but got some photos of those on the blog, but I didn't get some video. The graveyard's pretty simple. We have some old fencing we threw up. We have some graves. I made a couple with pallets. Very simple, had a few lights, nothing big. Spider webs, one of my favorite things. We did a little spider web nook using some trees that had fallen down. We have our jumping spider right here. Lots of different spiders and cocoons lit up. Really pretty, particularly without lighting. We have our ghost area, pretty minimal. And then we have our witch area. We have our giant witch. And then below, I have a few little odds and ends that are like kind of witchy, like brewing a potion sort of things. They're not really obvious, but they're kind of subtle. We have our heads on a stick, which is one of my favorites. And coming up on the left, we have the zombie. And then on the right, we're going to have some dolls. Zombie area kind of is the same every year. We haven't done anything crazy with it. So here are the dolls. We're trying to make some sort of nursery setup. If we'd been indoors, we would have had a little more freedom, but we didn't want anything sitting out that in the rain that would be problematic. And also we didn't have a random crib hanging around. So one of the things I made this year was the 3D printed skull here. It's pretty neat. And then I painted it. We've got that guy, just our normal guys. We've got our death penalty area. And coming up here, just a couple odds and ends and decor that we had hanging out. And coming up here, we have our pony and hearse, which was one of my favorite things. I got this year. I stocked the website for it. We've got heads on a stick here. We've done them on sticks along the trail before, which works out really nicely. But in this case, we put them on this. This is a mirror. It's supposed to be like a haunted mirror. It didn't come out very good. I need to fix the lighting and see if that helps. I may need to make some adjustments. Our vomiting guy, really easy project that we did last year, I think. And this area is our swamp, and we have this fisherman who is so cool. I got him off the website as well. And we put tarps all around the platform here. Added our bag of candy at the end. I love this thing every year. I hope you'll follow me. Thanks so much for watching.